Hello my dear students, in my last video we have studied about the Indian place value system and international place value system, and also about the conversion of Indian to international place value system and vice versa. It is a continuation of the last video, and today we are going to study about the comparison of 9-digit number and also about the ascending and descending orders of these numbers. So how to compare the 9-digit number, that is how to compare the larger numbers. Yes, so in order to compare the numbers there are certain rules and to decide which number is greater than the other. So what are the rules that help us to decide which number is greater? So step 1 or the rule number 1 is the compare the number of digit. So the number with the greater number of digit will be greater. So for example, we are taking two numbers. Yes, 8 5 3 6 1 6 1 2. So we have taken 9-digit number over here, and here I am taking 8 5 3 6 6 1 2 1, and I have taken 8-digit number over here. So first we have to compare. Here there are how many digits? There are 9 digits, and here I have taken only 8 digits. So you can count and see also. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So obviously this number will be greater than the other number. So it's a simple rule where we have to compare the number of digit, and the number with the greater number of digit will be greater than the other number. So now coming to the second rule. Yes, if the number of digit are equal, if the number of digit on both the sides are equal, say I have taken 8-digit number this side and we will take an 8-digit number this side, then we have to compare the first digit. Like the number I have taken 8 5 3 6 1 6 1 2. I have taken this digit, and I'll take 9 5 3 6 1 6 1 2. This is the digit on the other side. Count the number of digit whether it is same or not. 3 6 7 8. It is 8 digit. It is 8 digit, so the number of digit are same. So how to compare between these two numbers? Here then the number in the first place comes into picture. Here the number is 8 over here, the first digit is 8, here the first digit is 9. So this number as a whole, the second number as a whole is greater than the first number. Then we have to put a sign like this. So now the third step. In the third step, what happens if the number of digits are same and the digit in the first place are also equal? So I'll take a number 8 5 3 6 1 6 1 2. Yes, here also 8 4 3 6 1 6 1 2. So here you can see the first digit, the number of digit is 8 over here and 8 over here. Yes, now the first digit is also same. Yes, it is same. It is same. Now compare the second digit. Now the second digit comes into picture, that is the second number comes into picture. So here 5 is greater than 4. Yes, so what happens over here? Then this number 8 5 3 6 1 3 6 1 6 1 2 is greater than 8 4 3 6 6 1 2, like this. The same thing continues. If I'll take a number 1 1 2 1 3 4 6 9. How many digit? 3 4 5 6 7 8. Okay, I'll take one more, and I have taken another number 1 1 3 1 3 4 6 9 2. So we have to compare between the two digit. Yes, if the number of digit and the digit in the first and the second place is equal. So the number of digit is 9 digit over here. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Both the numbers are 9 digit. Yes, so we have to compare the the digit in the first place. What is the first place? This place, first place. This is the first place. It is same. This is the second place, and this is the second place. It is also same. Now compare the third place. Yes, the third place, it is 2, and here it is 3. So which number is greater? Naturally the 3 is greater than 2, as 3 comes after 2. So this number, this whole digit is greater than this whole 9-digit number. Now we have to compare further, because it is a 9-digit number. So many times a number like this 1 1 2 1 3 4 6 9 1 is given, and in the other side a number like 1 1 2 2 3 4 6 2 1 is given. So how many digits are there? It is also 9-digit. It is also 9-digit. Yes, you can see the first digit is same, and you can see the second digit, it is also same. Now coming to the third digit. Yes, the third digit is also same. The third digit is also same as this one. Now coming to the fourth digit. This is the fourth digit. This is the fourth digit. So you have to compare between the 4 digit, that is in the lakhs place. Yes, so here it is 1 and here it is 2. So which will be greater? Naturally 2 is greater than 1. So this whole number, 9-digit number, is greater than this whole 9-digit number. So this steps continues like this. Yes, so another number I'll take 1 1 2 1 3 4 6 9 1. The another number is 1 1 2 1 4 4 6 9 2. So in this, what you will compare? You will see that it is a 9-digit number, and here also it is a 9-digit number. First comparison is done. Then you see the first, second, third, fourth. The 4 digits are same. Yes. Now we will compare what? We will compare in the thousand place. This digit you have to compare with this digit, thousand place. So 3 is less than 4. So obviously this number, this whole number, 9-digit number, will be greater than this number. So it continues from 2000 place, then 100, then tens, then ones. I will show you with one more example. 1 1 2 1 3 4 6 9 1. Here also 1 1 2 1 3 5 6 9 2. I've taken another number. So you have compared that all these numbers are 9-digit. Yes. Now compare the first one, same. Second one, same. Third one is also same. Fourth one is also same. Fifth one is also same. Now what happens? Sixth one is different. Yes. So 5 is greater than 4. So obviously this number will be greater than this number. So is it clear? So like this you can compare it. Now we will come to what is ascending and descending order. This is comparison done. What do you mean by ascending order and what do you mean by descending order? Ascending means from small to big. So a small ball is there, then a bigger ball, then you have to place a little bigger, then a little more bigger, and then the biggest. Like this the number can be arranged according to this. Okay. And descending means what? Descending means large, the biggest, big to small. So first which ball will be there? The big ball will be there, then little small, then little small, then little small, then the smallest. So example, I'm citing one example for ascending order. Okay, ascending is what? From small to big, the biggest one. Yes. So example is 3 4 7 9 5 4 3 1 8 2 6 1 3 2 4 7 1 347951 and 347802. So how you will compare between these two numbers? How you will compare? First you have to find out how many digits are there. How many digits are there? It is 5 digit. How many digits are there? It is 6 digit. Yes. How many digits are there? 6. How many digits? 6. How many digits? 6. So this one is the smallest one. So you can write that 34795 with the smallest one, because the less number of digits are there. Now you have to compare between the first number. Yes, which is the first number? So you can see here 4133. 4133 are the numbers given. So which is the smallest of all? Yes, you can see it. Obviously it is clear that 132471 is the smallest. 1 is smallest than 4 and 3. So you can place like this: 132471 is the second smaller digit. Now you have to compare. Then the first one, the first number in between the comparison, it is both 3. So how you will compare between? Then you have to take the second number. Second number is also same. Yes, then you have to move on to the third number. Third number is also same. Then you have to move on to the fourth number. Fourth number, it is different. It is 9 over here and it is 8 over here. So which will come first? We have to write from smaller to bigger. So this number 347802 will come first. Yes, and after that which number will come? 347951 will come. And obviously if all the 4 numbers are given, then the biggest one will be 431826. So this is all about the ascending order, that is smallest to biggest. Yes, smallest to biggest. And now example of descending order. Descending order is big to small. So how you will do it? So we will consider one more example, and it is a very good example. Yes, 310001, 300001, 311000, 300011, 310110. This is the question. So how you will do? First you have to count how many numbers are there. Here how many numbers are there? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6. Here how many? 6. Here how many? 6. Here how many? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So 7 numbers are there. Here how many numbers are there? Here 6 numbers are there. So how it is written in the descending order? It is from big to small. So which is the biggest number of all? Yes, the 7-digit number is the biggest of all. So you have to write 300111 is the largest number. Yes. Now you have to compare the first digit of the numbers. Yes, now we will compare the first digit of the numbers. First digit in all the rest number is same. Yes, now we have to compare the second digit. Second digit, you see the first digit is same in all. Not this one, this one. First digit is same in all. Now we have to compare the second digit. Second digit is 1 here, 0 here, then 1 here, then 1 here, then 1 here. So where it is 0, you have to do from biggest to smallest. So this is the smallest of all, I think so, because it is the second digit is 0. So smallest, this is the smallest one. So you have to compare this one, and this one, these 3. 1 2 and 3 you have to compare. So you have to move on to the second digit. Second digit is same in all. So you have to move on to the third digit. Third digit, here is 0, here is 1, here is 0. Yes, so the second largest digit is, here it is 1. No, third digit is 1 over here. So the second largest is 311000. Okay, now you have to compare. This is over and this is over. Yes, now you have to compare between this and this. 310,001. Now you have to compare the 4 digit. Here it is 0 and here it is 1. So which one is greater? Yes, this one is greater. So you have to write 310110. Now this one is greater than this one is smaller. Yes, so you have to write after that 310001, and you have found the smallest one. Which one is the smallest? Yes, 300001. So you have arranged it in how? You have arranged in bigger to the smaller number. Bigger number to the smaller number. So I think it is clear how to arrange in ascending and descending order and how to compare between the two numbers. If you will know about comparison, you will know about the rules of comparison, then you will be able to arrange in ascending and descending order. So today we studied about the ascending and descending order and also about the comparison of numbers. Thank you.